Hello there, welcome or welcome back. My name is Julie, also known for 8 years here on YouTube as the Frugal Mama. And
today's home improvement product, I am so excited about this. It is this over-the-door pantry organizer. Now, I don't have a pantry, like a room, like a closet pantry. We have the open shelf pantry in our kitchen that we built in when we gutted the kitchen. So there is no door to put this over. That would be nice. There are a lot of things we could organize that way. But my plan, when this product was offered to us, was for the bathrooms. I wasn't sure which one. Originally, I thought for the bathroom that James and I use. And would this come in handy in there? Yes, absolutely. I mean, check that out, okay? But I have decided it's actually going to go in the main bathroom upstairs, the one that everybody uses, and I think it's going to make a big difference.
there's a link just for you in the video description. I totally should have done these before I put this whole thing together, but hey, better late than never, and it's the Frugal Mama, and you know I am often all over the place. So what I found with these 3Ms, it is in fact double-sided tape meant to secure this to the door, but it's also fairly thick, which I'm hoping, even if the adhesive doesn't stay intact, though it should, but if perchance it doesn't, that foam padding would make it so this doesn't like clang against the door. Something really handy and helpful, it does come with a bunch of extra strips of the double-sided foam tape. So in situations like this, like my door, it's only adhering like in a couple of spots because of the shape of the door. So what am I gonna do? I'm going to add a couple extras in a few places to make sure it is totally secure. So obviously we lose the use of this hook, but I have another one right here by the shower, so I'm not worried about that. Plus we also have towel racks. Now we just need to figure out what we're putting in here. I've got a few ideas. One of the fabulous features is that it is customizable. You get to put the baskets wherever you want. I made sure to measure where I was putting them so that when the door is open, it will not hit into the towel rack. All right, this is just what I've come up with so far, mainly focusing on feminine hygiene products, but I've also got like our Vapor Rub and some of the extra cotton balls. This will free up room in our laundry room where I had been storing these kinds of things, and there really wasn't room down there to be storing them. It was quite a cluttered, unorganized mess and hard to keep track of what I had and where I had it. So to know like if we were out of something. And you know how that goes when you don't know if you have something, then you end up getting more of it, which is a waste of money, and we don't have money to waste. So I think this over-the-door shelf organizer thing, not only is it beautiful, not only is it high quality, it is also going to save us money. I am super excited about this, excited to have been able to share it with you, grateful to have had it sent to us. There is, of course, the link in the video description for this. Thank you so much for coming along on our decluttering and getting organized journey here in this 20th year of our marriage. We are getting on top of it. We are decluttering. We are getting organized. We are finding value. We are finding quality, and we are sharing it with you. Frugal friends, thank you so much for watching this product review. I have several more coming. Stuff that I think will help all of us, that will help me, that will help you. Things that I think are worth your time and your hard-earned money. You know you're always going to get an honest, thorough review from the Frugal Mama, whether it's something that is sent to us or something that I purchase myself. Have a wonderful day. We will see you all real soon.